Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the vlog. It's actually good afternoon because it's not the morning anymore. I just filmed a new TikTok and it's doing well. Guys, I've seriously been having so much fun with TikTok. I did like a little get ready with me thing, so please go follow me if you are not. It's just at AlishaMarie. I feel like I kind of figured out what I want to do with it because I don't know. Like I feel like for a long time it was dances and then it was like just sounds and I was like, I don't want to just like do trending things like that. So I feel like the whole beauty fashion, love. Also, I actually really love today's fit, but I was walking down the hallway and all I heard was so part of me is thinking I should change at least my pants if I'm gonna be vlogging, because if not, you're just gonna hear the whole time. But quick little outfit of the day. The shrug and the bodysuit is from Aloe. I love this color. It's like a gray blue color. It kind of has like a purple tint to it and I low-key love it with my nails. I feel like it makes my nails almost look like they have a purple sheen to them too. Then I'm wearing these gray cargo parachute pants from Local European. I'm obsessed with this brand. And for hair today we used the Dyson Airwrap, which I always forget how easy it is. It took me like a hot minute to learn how to do it, but once I got the hang of it, I feel like it looks good. Tonight I'm actually going to Topgolf with Remi, Cal, and Ollie for a little like pre-Remi birthday thing. So I'm really excited for that, but that's not till way later, till like 8:30. So I'm gonna try to get some work done. I already filmed like 2 TikToks. Just kidding. I do have a lot of emails that I need to reply to, so I need to do that. And then I actually have some things I've been meaning to unbox for a while. So I'm like, maybe I'll do that too. So let's get the boring stuff done and then we can do the fun stuff.
Hello.
What time should I come over? Or, cause you're going, it'll take you, I need to come to you, right? Wow, speak English.
I think Casco's coming at 7:30.
Okay.
I haven't talked to Cal though. I've been alone the whole day since I got home, so I'm not sure. But I think 7:30.
Okay, and then, wait, what do you mean alone?
I'm just laying on the couch alone.
Oh, wait, isn't Ollie there?
Girls, he's upstairs too.
Oh, I was like, isn't Ollie there?
But I think 7:30 is when Casco's coming, so I think that should be fine.
Are you eating before?
I'll probably just have snacks there.
Okay, that's what, I'll eat something here and then we can do the pretzel there.
Yes.
Okay, cool, I'll see you soon.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Okay, so before we do anything else, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor of the vlog, BetterHelp. You guys know I am huge about therapy. I think every single person needs to try therapy, and therapy is kind of like dating. It takes a while to find the right therapist for you. I went through, I think, about 2 therapists before I found the one that I'm currently using. I don't personally use BetterHelp. I always want to make that clear whenever I work with them. I've had my same therapist for literally, I think it was since 2017 or 18. Like it's been a while. She knows everything about me. So BetterHelp is an amazing tool that you can use to find the perfect therapist for you. And the best thing is you can communicate with them however you want to. It can be over text, it can be email, it can be phone, it can be FaceTime, it can have no video. Like, you know, some of us have social anxiety and going into a therapist's office can be very, very, very intimidating. But this is nice because it's all online. When you sign up for BetterHelp, you can take a quick quiz and it basically helps narrow down your preferences of what you're looking for in a potential therapist. For instance, we all got trauma, you know what I mean? But we all have different kinds of trauma, so it's nice to find someone who specializes in whatever you're looking for specifically. And if you want 10% off your first month, just go to BetterHelp, that's BetterHelp.com/AlishaMarieVlogs, and you'll get 10% off your first month of therapy. Speaking of, this is reminding me that I need to schedule my next appointment because I actually haven't been in a few weeks, and let's be real, I've noticed. I keep feeling like I'm too busy, but honestly, I feel like that's not an excuse. So if you already have a therapist, this is your sign to hit them up. But anyways, again, huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this vlog.
Hello, Lolika. You look good. What's going on?
I did my own glam today.
It looks good.
I did a Dyson Airwrap. I knew I was seeing you.
Isn't she perfect? Isn't
You're
she
perfect.
lovely? Not
You're
me wearing the
perfect.
same outfit in like 3 of her vlogs. I didn't pack well for Remi's house sitting.
Ollie Maria, you are an outfit repeater. Name that movie. Name that movie.
I don't know.
The Lizzie McGuire movie.
Oh. Well, it was mean.
That's perfect.
Yes, bitch. Show off that ass.
Let's go, bitch.
Come on, mother.
Oh,
That was a
really
good ass
fun.
thing.
Yes, mother.
I think Cal's
Mother has
Cal's
arrived.
horny.
That's cool. It is 9:30. I know. Wait for the forecast.
This is 20. Oh, I didn't even see it. Oh,
okay.
fuck.
Wait, 0 again? Oh no,
I'm like,
I thought I got yellow. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I mentioned in my last video that I definitely need like a Sunday reset type of video vlog because my house is a mess. So we are in desperate need of a Sunday reset. We have laundry to do. We need to clean the house. We need to work out. I should go grocery shopping, although I might do that tomorrow. It's good. Cheers. Okay, welcome to my insanely messy garage. We had Tristan's birthday party, which is why I have a massive cardboard cutout of him. I like having him here, so when I'm working out, it's like I have my own personal cheerleader cheering me on, as I know he would do in person. But we're gonna hop on the bike. I usually do like between 45 minutes and an hour. If I have time, I'll do less. I don't know, I love zoning out and just pedaling my little heart out. But I'm only doing that because I have actual time to do that today. I feel like some days I'll just only really have time for like a walk, even if it's like 20 minutes on the bike or something, but just something to get my body moving. Also, side note, I've been researching a lot about ADHD because I was told I have it, and which makes so much sense. But a lot of like articles and shit was saying how like moving is so important if you have it, because it's not even about like fitness goals in any way. Like just like moving your body is like very important to like how you function well. So I was like, oh my God, that makes sense why I get so thrown off. If I feel like I haven't been working out, I like get so, I don't know. I'm clearly procrastinating. Let's do it. Okay, update. Workout was great. Put on some makeup. I don't know what I want to do with my hair. Part of me just feels like I'll do a bun. I feel like it's kind of boring. I actually still have quite a bit of cleaning to do, but I still need a gift for Remi for her birthday, which is February 7th, aka in 2 days. I have her main gift. I have the main one, but I do want something she can also open. So this video, or this vlog, will probably be up after her birthday. So I'm taking her to a spa all day on her birthday. At least I think so. I still need to like set that up. But I still want something she can open. So we're gonna go shopping, see if we can find anything. And yeah, I think we're gonna low-key go to the Grove, which I haven't just shopped there in forever. And she's just like, she's so hard to shop for, which people say the same freaking thing about me, which I get, but I feel like she's even worse because she just buys anything and everything she could want in every color. But slay. Okay, I'm gonna be boring. I think I'm just gonna do a sleek, you know, jaw claw clip situation. Added some hoops, and I do need to figure out what shirt I wanna wear. I'm kind of feeling like a baggy t-shirt. Okay, 1000% just kidding. I ended up slicking my hair just in a bun. I felt like it kind of fit the outfit better. And if anyone is curious, this is the wax stick that I've used for a while. This is the Tancho High Grade Teak. vegetable. I get the lavender scent. I personally think this one's better than the bedhead one. I know this one's like a little harder to find, but I just got mine off of Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description. But that's how you just, you know, get a nice little slick back moment. I'm also almost out of my favorite perfume, so maybe we'll buy some more of that today. Gypsy water. Ah, I love it. Guys, I don't know what has gotten into me, but I am like a new bitch. Little backstory. Essentially, I saw how much I spent on food delivery last year. So my New Year's resolution, well, not New Year's, I was like, I need to, instead of dry January, you know, I'm fine to drink some alcohol, you know, I'm not gonna do dry January, but what I am gonna do is dry January food delivery, you know, Postmates edition. No, don't get me wrong, I love Postmates. I will continue to use it eventually, but I've gone this whole year, AKA a month and like a day, without ordering food. And I know that sounds like stupid. And once I just decided to stop doing it, like I completely deleted the app. I was gonna do just all of January, and now I kind of want to just see how long I can go. I'm still fine to eat out and everything, but I haven't actually ordered myself Postmates, which is like huge. Now, y'all know I fucking love Postmates. I still recommend it for everyone. It's been kind of fun making it like a little challenge for myself to see how long I can go without ordering out. And it's been more fun like using up all my food. Honestly, feel free to join me if you want, but it's been fun. So I'm just gonna see how long I can go. We're making a chicken salad. It's a chicken salad right now. Another thing I've been obsessed with, honestly, the past like 6 months, are these sticky, like cooked sticky white rice, little things you can just microwave. They're from Bday. I think I've talked about this before. You literally just cook it 2 minutes. I love adding it to like a salad or whatever, but I'm adding it to a salad this time. This isn't as ripe as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. And I personally love adding garlic powder. This is so freaking good. It's a ginger dressing that we got from a farmer's market. It's so good. I wish there was like, it's so good. And I just saved like $30, $40 from not eating out, so. We love it. None for Gretchen Wieners. No. This is a reminder to go sit outside for like 5 or 10 minutes because it's so beautiful out. And sometimes there's days where I don't leave the house and I'm like, Alisha, be a human. Like, go outside. Matcha. Boom roasted. Don't know what that's from. We've arrived at the Grove.
Hello.
Operation Get Remi's Christmas present, birthday present in full force.
You're such a last minute shopper, babe.
You know what? I wanted to go in person so I could like, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Touch it and feel it.
You just want to shop for yourself.
No.
She wants to shop for herself. Admit it.
You do. You do. You do.
No.
No, I've been good. I haven't been shopping much lately.
I already got my gift.
Okay, we're gonna run into Aloe. This vlog is going up after her birthday, so it's fine if I show shit.
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Then, so she'll already know what present I got her by the time this is up. But then I'm thinking orange room after.
Absolutely. Wait, did
Slay.
you
Miss Remi Ashton Wood, Stagecoach maybe? Oh, I love these. Oh my God. AlishaMarie would love that for her birthday. Update, we found nothing. Absolutely nothing.
He got bitches, he got bitches, he got